व्हाट्सअप कैसे हैं आप सब। वेलकम बैक टू अ न्यू वीडियो। तो गाइस आज के इस वीडियो का हमारा टाइटल जैसे कि आपने देख ही लिया होगा, बट मैं स्टिल बताऊंगी कि हाउ टू स्पीक इंग्लिश फ्लुएंटली एंड कॉन्फिडेंटली, ऑफ कोर्स विदाउट स्टकिंग। सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, इंग्लिश इज मतलब लाइक all based on our vocabulary skills and our confidence. If we are confident in anything, so we can do it. But basically, let me tell you first that I am a weak person in languages. Like first of all, my mother tongue is Hindi, so obviously I'm very fluent in it. Yeah, but currently as I'm living in Maharashtra, I also need to study Marathi. And basically, if you say, I'm not so good in it. I just understand what the other person is talking in Marathi, but I basically can't reply them in Marathi. But if you talk about English, it's my interest, and if you have interest in anything, you will learn it. Either it is hard or easy, you will learn it if you have a will in your mind. So first of all, be confident and have some interest in what you're doing. So let's start with the 5 ways to improve your English, that how to speak fluently and confidently. So basically, when it comes to learning any language, people just say watch news, read newspapers, and that doesn't really works. So sometimes you need to just enjoy the process and give your best in it. Like just for 15 minutes watch English cartoons. They're not they don't have a very high level of English, and they contains English which like a small child can understand. Like them, the cartoons are made for them. Like English cartoons you need to watch, not your फेवरेट लाइक यू विल वॉच शिनचैन. अरे मुझे तो शिनचैन पसंद है, मैं तो शिनचैन देखूंगा. यू कैन वॉच इट बट इन इंग्लिश. सो बेसिकली इफ यू डू दिस, you will gain interest in English, and you will be able to learn it more quickly and more confidently. You will be able to speak as you are learning from such a easy source and such a good source. So start watching cartoons from now, but in English. Basically, if you don't have any interest in English cartoons, or you don't have any interest in cartoons, so you would be some lover like cricket lover or a YouTube lover or something like that. So just watch cricket commentary in English. Sorry. So just watch English commentary of cricket, and you will have interest, and you will gain interest in that slowly as you are already a cricket lover. If you are a cricket lover, you will have interest in that. And English commentary is also so good source. And after that, what I said, YouTube is just everything for you. You can also get that commentaries on YouTube. And if you don't like that commentaries, so you can just watch some shows which are dubbed in English. You can just watch English movies, English dramas, and like something like that which is in English. Uh, like what? English stories, English dramas, English movies, English commentaries of cricket match, English commentaries of any sport and cartoon. You can get all these material on YouTube, and you can just search it and click on it and just watch it for minimum to minimum 15 minutes or maximum 30 minutes, not more than that, because it will affect your eyes. Okay, so this is one way. So there are some people who don't like visualized contents. Like if you just watch them, you will be able to listen, and it will give an impact to your mind that yes, this is like this, we can say this in this situation and all these things. But if you don't like visual contents, you can just watch, not watch, but close your eyes and just with a relaxed mind listen to the radio commentary in English, or the podcasts which are being uploaded in English. So yes, you can also go for it. If you're done with watching and listening the things, now you have to improve your reading skills also. So like for reading skills, you just have to choose something which has a simple language and which is easy to understand. Some people think that if we want to enhance our English reading, we just have to buy this much fat books and read them, and after 2 or 3 days they read just 15 or 16 pages and just think, now I'm so good in English, I don't want this anymore, and they just like push the book away. And after seeing this much fat book, they don't even want to read. So I suggest you to read some ICSC books of standard 10th, which contain so many short stories and which are very interesting and good for practice. uh, you can prefer them, they are really good and contains a lot of like motivational and inspirational material. Of course they are school books, so they do have a moral and they are not nonsense stories. You can have them, and it is just, it don't have any side effect, it is just best for you to read. Basic thing is, you don't have to work on any word which is big, which is difficult to pronounce or which is difficult to construct. You don't have to like worry about any of these words. You just have to observe. And the most important thing is, you have to work hard on your sentence construction, because if your sentence construction is good, no one will say that उसको तो इंग्लिश नहीं आती, ही डोंट नो हाउ टू स्पीक इन इंग्लिश, शी डोंट नो हाउ टू स्पीक इन इंग्लिश, डोंट टॉक टू हर इन इंग्लिश. ऐसा कोई नहीं बोलेगा अगर आपका सेंटेंस कंस्ट्रक्शन अच्छा होगा तो. सो बेसिकली आपको अपना यू हैव टू इम्प्रूव योर सेंटेंस कंस्ट्रक्शन, एंड दैट्स ऑल यू नीड टू हैव फ्लुएंट इंग्लिश. नाउ लेट्स वी टॉक अबाउट कॉन्फिडेंस. See, you have to build confidence for yourself. You can practice every day in front of your family, in front of your friends, which you think will not laugh on you if you say wrong, if you pronounce anything wrong, if you just commit a mistake while doing the practice. They won't laugh at you. Just make sure. And after that, you can practice in front of them. But if you think that you are not even comfortable in front of them, in front of your friends, in front of your family, you can just have a mirror and look at yourself in the mirror and then make eye contact with yourself and read. Or learn something and then look at yourself and then you can say. You can speak English very confidently if you follow these steps regularly. Just in a day, you just have to practice this minimum for 15 minutes and maximum for forever. So guys, that's all for today. Hope you like the video. अगर आपको मेरा वीडियो पसंद आया होगा तो मेरे वीडियो को लाइक करना, मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना एंड इस वीडियो को शेयर करना. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.